everyone, today we will be making Zinger Fried chicken. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, take a large bowl and pour in 6 tablespoons half cup of yogurt. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of red chili, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then pour in 1/4 cup of white vinegar, along with soy sauce and red chili sauce, 1/4 cup each. Now mix all of these together. Now apply the mixture on the chicken pieces. Marinate the pieces for 6 hours or overnight. Now take 2 bowls, one with flour and one with water. Add in 1 teaspoon of red chili, along with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black powder. Mix all of these together thoroughly. After the chicken pieces have been marinated, apply the flour on it. Then dip it in the water. Repeat the same process. Do this with all of the chicken pieces, and get ready to deep fry them. Deep fry the chicken pieces until they turn golden brown in color. Now your Zinger fried chicken is ready.